Welcome back. Now, Canva is a searchable and a template-based system, and if you want to create something specific on Canva, you can start the process by placing your cursor inside of the search area. You can then start to look for a specific template. What you'll see is that you'll have suggestions to come up. You'll have video suggestions and other formats that you can use. You'll also see suggested templates available based on the algorithm or what is currently popular. If you don't want to use any of the templates from the search area, you can start with the elements that you see across your dashboard. For example, you'll see whiteboards, presentations, social media videos, print products, websites. You'll then be able to click this More button where the ellipses are. And you'll see even more formats, and you'll see them here across the top. You can also determine specific templates by going to the Design Spotlight, and if you hover over the down arrow, you're going to see templates that you can start creating from these menus, and you'll see all of the different kinds here in this area. In most cases, many of these menus are going to overlap with each other. They're not separate from each other in every aspect. However, this is a way for you to find something specific that you can work with in order to use the template to create your graphic, which you'll also see here at the top if you hover over this area there is a desktop application available if you use a Windows-based computer. What we can do here is we can click this button that says Start Download. And when you click the button, you'll also see that there is a Mac OS application available. Since we're using a Windows-based computer, for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to download the application to our hard drive. We are then going to install the application. Canva will start the setup process. You'll then be required to log in or sign up through your browser. We're going to click Continue through the browser and the desktop application will then be available, which you're actually looking at here is a pro version logged into this desktop application. Okay, so with that, thanks and I will see you in another video.